What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, May 12th. This is the daily chart candle. You can tell here we've got our 48.10, which was our high, all-time high on January 4th and 5th, I think it was, yeah. And then, we've transitioned, we hung out, and then now we're starting to go back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be our sixth day down. On a red candle on the ES, so that'll be interesting. If we close this one red again, I can't remember last time that happened. Said yesterday 39.10, 3900 low level I'm looking at. We did breach that on the overnight, but we are pretty much there right now at 3905, 3906. Pivots, we're well below the 3972 pivot. We're hanging out at S1, which is 38.94, and your next one down is 38.50. So 38.50 is really, if we lose that, I say we see 38.50 and then 3800 or 37.95. The downside we've kind of seen just kind of the quarters hold. So here's 39.24, 39.50, 39.70. So 75.50 quarter. So we'll kind of look at quarters and halves for downside support. Because there isn't a fine line level that I'm really looking at since we haven't been there in well over a year. We're pushing 2 at some junctures, depending on how far we go. So 3,900's got the most level or volume today, so that's going to be what I'm watching for an over under. If we open up above that, maybe we have chance for a rally. If we open up below that, I think we have more downside, and we'll see 38.50. I'd like to see an open above 39.24 for any upside action, but that's going to be my level to watch. So not 39. I mean, 3,900 is going to be important, but if we can get over 39.24 sustained, I think we can get a rally. We do run the risk of a rip your face off relief rally, so keep that in mind. I don't see it happening, but that's always the case, and that's kind of what it is. The euro, so the euro lost the 105 level this morning on the euro open, and then it went all the way down. We fell a full point. So I said when we lose 105, we see a 103. I didn't think it happened in one day. So 103.882 was your low. We've retraced back to 500 ticks up. So we're at 104.3. We'll see if that continues to climb up. If so, then we should get some relief on the downside from the downside on ES. But definitely keep this on your radar, because that's a monster move for currencies, and this is kind of where we're at right now. So when you see currencies moving like this, then from a macro aspect, that's crazy. There's all kinds of stuff going on. That was, I believe, because gas was being trimmed from Europe or whatever. So we'll see if that low stays intact and this keeps going up. Again, 39.24. I'd like to see, above that we could see bullish aspects. 3,900 below that, I'm fairly bearish, and I think we see 38.50. So watch your pivots, the ones Joey posts. Those were holding yesterday. That, and be careful if you're doing 1 DTE. I know we've got more information coming out tomorrow. Again, I at some point you would think that there would be a massive relief rally, and I don't know if that's going to come or not. But my guess it would be a rip your face off. But shit, we watch $150 or 50-point moves and 100-point moves now consistently. So who knows? Just be prepared, in and out, take your money and run is pretty much the scenario, and it's going to be the scenario for the time being. Anyway, please be safe, and if you're unsure, tone down your size.